Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Pramudya Andika Soehaya with student ID 10202240001x6. Today I'm gonna present my presentation about graph theory. Okay, next slide. Introductions. Graph theory is a fascinating branch of mathematics that studies the relationships between objects. In graph theory, these objects are represented as nodes or vertices, and the connections between them are called edges or links. A mathematical statement involving only numbers and one or more operation symbols. Next slide. The importance. Graph theory is a powerful tool used in various fields to model and solve complex problems. It helps in visualizing relationships and optimizing processes. Applications range from computer science and transportation to biology and social science. Next slide. Okay, the main content. Applications in a specific field, examples or case study. Next slide. Okay, the first example is computer science. For the application is data structure and algorithm. Graph theory is used in designing data structures and algorithms for modeling relationships between objects, such as in computer networks and social media connections. For study case is Google uses graph theory in its page rank algorithm to rank web page. The web is viewed as a directed graph where web pages are nodes and hyperlinks are edges. Okay. Next example is transportation. For the application is route optimization. Graph theory is used to find the most efficient paths in the transportation network. This helps in route planning to minimize travel time or distance. For study case is this algorithm finds the shortest paths between nodes in a graph, which can be applied to road networks. For example, it is used in GPS navigation systems to suggest the fastest route from one location to another. Next slide. The third example is biology. For the application is protein-protein interaction networks. In biology, graph theory models complex interaction between proteins. These networks help in understanding cellular functions and disease mechanism. For study case is researchers map proteins and their interaction as graphs. Studying these networks can identify key proteins that are potential targets for drugs or diseases such as cancer. Next slide. The fourth example is social networks, or the application is commodity detection. Graph theory help analyze social networks to detect communities of groups of individuals with similar interests or connections. For study case is Instagram uses a graph theory-based algorithm to identify groups of friends or communities. This helps in providing friend recommendations and relevant content to users. Okay, next slide. Okay, the fifth examples in information systems for the application is social network analysis. Graph theory is used to analyze social networks and understand the relationships between individuals in those networks. This helps in identifying influence, communities, and communication patterns. The study case is in social network analysis, we can use graphs to map relationships between Twitter users, identify key influencers based on the number and qualify of their interactions, and analyze emerging topic trends. Next slide, we have conclusion. So, the graph theory is a mathematical science that can be applied in various fields, such as computer science, transportation, biology, social networks, and even information systems. Overall, graph theory allows us to visualize and analyze complex relationships in various contexts. By applying the principles of graph theory, we can optimize various systems and make better decisions based on a deep understanding of existing interactions and patterns. Okay, thank you for the attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.